Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic might hit close to home for a lot of you: saving money. We all wrestle with it, especially in this crazy economy. So, it's no wonder services like Rocket Money are gaining traction. They promise to automate your savings, find you hidden subscriptions, and supposedly make building your nest egg a breeze. But with any financial tool, especially one that links to your bank accounts, security concerns pop up. So, the big question, is Rocket Money safe? Let's blast off and explore the potential risks and benefits. First things first, a quick explainer on Rocket Money. It's an app that connects to your bank accounts and analyzes your spending habits. Here's where the magic, supposedly, happens. Rocket Money identifies unnecessary subscriptions you might have forgotten about, negotiates lower bills for you, think cable, internet, and even helps you set up automated saving strategies. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Freeing up cash, lowering bills, and saving automatically? It's the financial trifecta. But hold on a second. Whenever you connect a third-party app to your financial accounts, a little voice in your head whispers, "Is this safe?" It's a valid concern. Here's the deal: Rocket Money uses what's called read-only access to your bank accounts. This means they can see your transactions, but they can't actually move any money around. That's a good first step, but security goes beyond just access. So, let's dive deeper into the potential risks. Risk number 1, data breaches. No online system is 100% secure. Hackers are constantly looking for vulnerabilities, and a data breach at Rocket Money could expose your financial information. While Rocket Money claims to have robust security measures in place, including encryption and data protection protocols, a breach is always a possibility. This could lead to identity theft or even fraudulent charges on your accounts. Risk number 2, third-party sharing. Rocket Money does have a privacy policy that outlines what data they collect and how they use it. However, it's always wise to read the fine print. This policy might allow them to share anonymized data with third parties for marketing or research purposes. While your specific information might be anonymized, it's still your data being shared. Risk number 3, over-reliance on automation. Rocket Money automates a lot of the saving and bill negotiation process. This can be great, but it can also be a double-edged sword. While it can help catch hidden subscriptions, it might miss some. Similarly, automated bill negotiation might not always get the best deal. It's important to stay vigilant and double-check everything Rocket Money does, even if it seems convenient. So, with all these risks, is Rocket Money a complete no-go? Not necessarily. Here are some things to consider. Safety first. Do your research before linking any financial app. Read Rocket Money's privacy policy thoroughly. Check online reviews from reputable sources to see what other users experience. Two-factor authentication. Most financial apps, including Rocket Money, offer two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone or email to log in. Make sure you have this enabled. Monitor closely, don't blindly trust automation. Regularly review your Rocket Money recommendations and check your bank accounts for any suspicious activity. Alternatives. There are other ways to save money and manage subscriptions. You can manually review your bank statements and track subscriptions in a spreadsheet. Many banks also offer similar features like bill pay or automated transfers. The bottom line: there's definitely some risk involved with using Rocket Money, just like any service that connects to your bank accounts. However, by taking precautions and being vigilant, you can minimize those risks. Ultimately, the decision comes down to you. If you're comfortable with the potential risks and the convenience of automation outweighs those concerns, then Rocket Money might be a good fit. However, if security is your top priority and you prefer a more hands-on approach, there are alternative ways to manage your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.